Welcome, science friends, to a quick Darwin review. So last time we learned about Charles Darwin. In 1859, he published his most famous book called The Origin of Species. And in his book, Darwin explains and proposes all sorts of ideas that he formed while out on his adventures on things like the Beagle expedition to the Galapagos in South America. But basically, Darwin's main theory is that mechanism for evolution called natural selection. He presented evidence that evolution has been taking place for millions and millions of years, forever, and it will continue in all living things. So here we have a couple of examples where we see members of species differing from each other in significant ways. So here we have two anole lizards. They have different color sort of throat pouches, which can be just normal variation. And we also have these little shells. They look like snail shells. And again, there are lots of different colors. Color is not the only variation, but it's the most obvious one to us as humans. So way back in the time where Darwin was living and making all of his naturalistic discoveries and theories and things, variations were thought to be pretty unimportant. Nobody really cared about these differences. It was just, that one's weird, it's defective. And Darwin made the argument that this variation actually mattered. And we're going to explore a little bit more about why those things matter.